Select proper size of nail tip for each finger. Make sure to set aside in order. Apply a small amount of Kiss Maximum Speed Glue into the welt area of the tip and press onto the natural nail. Hold firmly for about 5 seconds. Trim and file to your desired length and shape. Now apply the nail primer to the natural nail surface. Make sure it's dry. Carefully pour the acrylic liquid into the dappen dish. Add 3 to 5 drops of Kiss Apple French Acrylic masking liquid. Now dip the brush into the acrylic liquid, then into the acrylic powder until a small white bead forms. Carefully place the bead onto the nail using a patting motion. Repeat this step until the tip and nail surface are leveled, smooth, and have the desired shape you want. Let dry. Now file the nail surface and using the Kiss Buff Block, smooth and finish. Now your nails are ready to polish and decorate. Get creative.